What are the benefits of being ginger? Redheads age better. Ginger people can produce their own vitamin D. Redheads are less susceptible to certain pain. Ginger people have more sex. Ginger men are half as likely to develop prostate cancer. What are the side effects of too much ginger? It can cause mild side effects, including heartburn, diarrhea, burping, and general stomach discomfort. Taking higher doses of 5 grams daily increases the risk for side effects. When applied to the skin, ginger is possibly safe when used short-term. It might cause skin irritation for some people. Can I boil ginger in water and drink? Ginger water is often included in herbal remedies for conditions like bloating and upset stomachs. For people who don't like to eat a lot of ginger, ginger water can be an easy way to get the health benefits of this spice. Especially if you have nausea, it may be more appealing to drink ginger than to eat it. Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe, support, and follow the AK1323 channel. You can watch different videos like how to cooking low cost, more people can eat, and about technology, electronics sale, offer items, travel, tourism, and more different videos.